The party information sheet may vary slightly depending on your county. For training purposes, we'll use the version from Orange County. This form is crucial as it provides the clerk of court with essential details about both parties involved in the case, ensuring that your file is set up correctly. Here's how to complete it. 1. Petitioner section. Enter your personal details as the petitioner. This includes your full name, address, phone number, and any other required information. 2. Respondent section. Fill in your spouse's details, including their full name, address, phone number, and other relevant contact information. 3. Marriage information. Provide the date and location of your wedding. 4. Children's information. List the names of any children born of the marriage, along with any other details requested, such as their birth dates or current living arrangements. Be thorough and accurate when filling out this form to ensure there are no delays in processing your case. This form will help the clerk correctly identify all parties and relationships in your case, which is key for proper case handling. This document has been pre-printed with all the necessary information about the non-lawyer assisting you. Your task is to complete the caption exactly as it is designed. Next, check the appropriate box to indicate whether or not you can read English. Finally, be sure to date and sign the document to confirm your understanding and completion. The Notice of Limitations document is available in both English and Spanish. While this form is required in Osceola County, it may not be needed in Orange County. Depending on your local clerk of court, this document may or may not be included in your packet. For training purposes, we're providing it for you to complete, just in case. If your local clerk doesn't require this form, they will simply return it to you. It's always a good idea to be over-prepared when submitting court documents to avoid any potential delays or complications. Once you've read and understood the document, follow these steps. 1. Check the appropriate box to indicate whether or not you can read English. 2. Sign the form at the bottom. By completing this form, you'll ensure that all necessary documents are ready for filing, even if some aren't ultimately required. Don't forget these items. Make sure to include a copy of your driver's license with your packet. If you're using the e-portal system, remember that every document must be completed, signed, and notarized by both parties before you upload them. The civil cover sheet is the document that officially sets up your case file with the clerk of court and kicks off the process. Here's how to complete it. 1. Caption. As discussed earlier, fill in the judicial circuit number, your county, and the names of both the petitioner, your name, and the respondent, your spouse's name. 2. Section 2, Type of Action Proceeding. For an uncontested divorce, always check box A, Initial Action Petition, to indicate that you're filing the initial case. 3. Section 3, Case Type. Identify the type of case. If it could fit into multiple categories, choose the one that best applies. For an uncontested divorce, always check box B, Dissolution of Marriage. By completing the civil cover sheet accurately, you ensure your case is set up properly from the start, avoiding unnecessary delays or confusion with the clerk of court. In Section 4 of the civil cover sheet for an uncontested divorce, you must inform the court if there are any related cases involving the petitioner, respondent, or any children born of the marriage. Here's how to handle it. If there are no other cases involving the parties, check the box that says no. This is the typical scenario in an uncontested divorce. If there are related cases, check the box that says yes and file a separate form called the Notice of Related Cases. The Notice of Related Cases form will detail the nature of the other cases, and we will cover how to complete it in another section of this course. Providing accurate information in this section ensures the court is fully informed about any connections between your case and other legal matters, helping avoid delays or conflicts.